Hey guys, Steve here with Everglades Ammo. We've had some requests for stainless steel hardware for our holsters, so we put a kit together that has all the hardware needed to replace everything that comes with the holster in stainless steel. If you purchase the holster with the stainless steel screw kit option, the screws will not be installed in the holster. You have to install them yourself. So there's a little video to show you some best practices on how to do that. We've got 4 different size screws. We've got 5/8, 3/4, 1 inch, and the 3/8. We'll get started with the 3/8 on the back. They're the kind of the hardest to do. When the holster comes to you, it will be assembled, so you'll need to remove the screw from here and remove the holster body off the hanger so you can access these 4 screws in the back. And you're going to want to do them one by one, so we'll start with this one. We're just going to work our way around, replacing all these screws. And remember, these screws are being threaded into plastic, so you want them snug, but you don't have to really crank on them. So we have the first 4 3/8 screws replaced. We're going to replace the next 2, which are these 2 5/8. I recommend pushing the lock down a little bit and the pawl, put that in the center position so it's easy to get to them. And I'm just going to switch to this electric driver. So this takes the 2 5/8 screws. Get them started by hand, make sure they don't get cross-threaded. And I recommend doing this by hand. We have these little drills set up with the torque setting, but if you don't have this exact drill, I'd recommend doing it by hand. Again, just want to run them until they're snug. On the front of the holster, you're going to use 4 1-inch screws, and the only one that's kind of tricky is this middle one that holds the pawl. So you want to make sure that the pawl is in the up unlocked position, and the pawl is held in by a spring and a ball detent. So you want to make sure this doesn't move around. So I kind of rest my thumb lightly on the side of it, maybe hook a finger on there. Again, get it started by hand. And that one this one can be too tight, and you'll know that if it's hard to actuate the pawl. So you want to be able to easily swing between locked and the half locked and the unlocked position. These other 3, again, you want to do them one at a time. Get started by hand. Now you got to remember these 2 are held on by these 2 magnets. They may want to move around a little bit when you release the screw. So I put my fingers in there, kind of hold it in place, keep it from moving. Remove the screw, get the next one started. This screw here that retains the holster body to the hanger is a 3/4 inch length screw. and all the rest of the screws on the holster hanger itself, the belt hanger, and all these adjustment screws are all 3/4. They're real simple. Just pull them apart, swap it for the new one. And you're all set. We'll have the screw kits available for the holster, which will include all of the screws for the holster, and then available separately for the thigh pads as an upgrade. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Thanks.